Hello guys, welcome to ARS IT Center. In the previous video, as we have seen what are variables and what are the types of variable, and we have covered one type of variable, that is var. In this video, we are going to see the other two types of the variable, that are let and const. As we have discussed in previous video also, that all of them are storage location. So why JavaScript introduce three types of variable? If all of them are same, so why they have introduced three types of variable? So in this video, we are going to cover let and const, and why and where we have to use where, let and const. Okay, so let's take it into the editor. Here I will write the difference and I will explain it with a simple example. Here first difference is const cannot be updated. The variable type const is not updated. What it means? Suppose here I have written a variable a is equal to 10, and I print it in a basic output command, document dot write a. I will save it, view it in browser, see a is equal to 10. If I am updating the value of a is equal to 20, see what's the output, a is equal to 20. It means in variable where we can update the value of variable. So let's check in let if we can update or not. Comment this out, save it. The value is 10. Let's update the value, a is equal to 20. See it. Okay. In variable let we can also update the value. Means whenever we declare a variable let and we assign it to a value 10, and if we want to update the value again, so we can update it. Okay, let's comment this out and let's check it in const. Save it, view it in browser, 10. Okay, let's uncomment this out, save it, view it in browser. It throws an error. It means whenever we update the value in const, it throws an error. The output is nothing. Okay, so the first rule is const cannot be updated. Okay, let's see the second. Let cannot be redeclare. Okay, what is redeclare? Here I will show you a basic example where a is equal to 10, and again I am writing where a is equal to 20. It means we are redeclaring the variable. In previous example we have not redeclared, we have just updated the value. Okay, here I have declared the value where a is equal to 10, and the same variable I have just updated the value, but when we redeclare the variable, we write where again and we declare the variable a again and we assign a different value. Okay, so let's print this, document dot write a, save it, see it in browser. Okay, I've got the updated value, means the second variable that where I have declared the variable where I've got that value 20. Okay, so let's check in let if it takes 20, because const is aside, const is not applicable for this example, because const is not applicable for this example because const doesn't take the updated value, because it does not pass this rule only, so we cannot take const in this example. Okay, let's comment this out, print. Okay, 10. Let's uncomment it out, save. Here only it's throwing an error, cannot redeclare block scope variable. Okay, so as we have discussed that let is a block scope variable. Let and const are block scope variable, and where is a functional scope variable. What is functional scope and what is block scope, we will discuss it later, because as I have not showed you function and I have not shown you all if else statement. Okay, so if when I will be covering that part, I will explain you function and I will explain you the functional scope, and when I will explain you if else statement, I will explain you the block scope, so that you will understand it better. So this much for this video. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. In the next video, in the upcoming video, we are going to cover what are data types and the type of data type that are used in JavaScript.